All right, my name is Chris Sadler. I'm the Director of Human Resources for the Sun Prairie Area School District. And I'm with Karen Richmond, who's our District Wellness Coordinator. And we're going to be giving an update on January 23rd, 2022 of our Sun Prairie School District and City Employee Wellness Clinic. With these updates, we're going to be just reminding on the why behind the clinic, why it's important for both our employees and the financial health of our district as well. We're going to be talking about the current returns on investment and where it lies right now. And then also we're going to talk about the services offered currently, and we're going to be talking about a service that will be offered in the future. So there's a lot of reasons why an employee wellness clinic is important for our school district. I'm not going to go over this exhaustive list because this is a long list and there's other reasons as well. But generally speaking, when we're looking at an employee wellness clinic, the why behind it is truly to improve our population health, our employees, our spouses, the dependents, and families. This helps our employees engage with their day-to-day work and also feel a higher level of satisfaction within their work for our school district and within the city. The other part of this too is legitimately looking at a financial health as well of our district, because the clinic does have returns on investment and allows us to have and capture savings when it comes to health insurance and health care and wellness. So speaking of returns on investment, when we look at the past 12 months prior to December 2021 to November 2022, we had a total claims avoidance of $525,000 and $431 in avoided costs from claims avoidance, occupational health, captured funds, and savings tied to flu vaccines. Now, as you can see, you can kind of see how those are broken down between avoidance savings, occupational health savings. When we talk about occupational health, a lot of that has to do with our pre-employment physicals and also other connections within occupational health, and then our flu vaccine as well as the savings there. The last bullet point, when we really think about it, is the annual cost of the clinic is approximately $408,132. And the district is saving approximately $117,299 when we think about the claims avoidance versus our actual costs in invoices per month. And again, we are sharing that cost with the city. We pay 80% of the clinic fees. They pay 20% based on the number of employees we have in each one of our groups. And I'm going to turn it over to Karen to talk about our fill rates.
Thank you, Chris. This slide represents the appointment fill rates of our provider since the clinic has moved on site. As you can see represented on this slide, the benchmark fill rate would be 60%. And at this time, since week 2, we have far exceeded that benchmark of 60%, some days having 100% fill rate or slightly above 100% fill rate. As a reminder, the clinic offers a wide variety of comprehensive services. As Chris had indicated, that includes occupational health, so our pre-employment physicals, and a wide variety of acute care, chronic care management, as well as preventative, including healthy lifestyle coaching, and a new position we will be adding in the future, a behavioral mental health coach. Due to findings of our data, we have determined that the addition of a behavioral mental health coach is a position that would greatly support the needs of our employee group. This position will be shared with the city of Sun Prairie, and due to the insurance plan design changes made in 2023, this will be a cost-neutral position. The estimated schedule for this position will be Monday to Friday with varied hours, combination of in-person and virtual, and will begin when we are able to hire that position.
So again, when we look at the Employee Wellness Clinic in partnership with the city, we are finding a lot of success in supporting of our employees and also savings financially, which does support, again, the behavioral health coach we were talking about, so we can add services in that better support our employees at a much higher level than even where we are now. Those fill rates are amazing to watch as they've grown, especially since we've moved to the Hilltop campus from the Tower Drive clinic that we were in prior to moving into the Hilltop campus area. So we look forward to questions and comments about the Employee Wellness Clinic. We're really proud of the work, and we know that there's always a next step to make it even better for our employees. And we look forward to those conversations internally and with the city and with our partners at USI and Dean. So we look forward to that. And again, thank you for listening to the presentation and for the support of the Employee Wellness Clinic. And we look forward to your questions and comments. Thank you.